the real need to have information and what they would consider ground truth. But how you get your hands on the data is a different story. What works for, say, a vineyard to do water level monitoring or their crop yield is very different from someone out there at the urban wildlife boundary trying to capture high wind speed readings to decide whether they're going to shut off power for worry of fire or not. The basic information is the same. You need a basic set of weather data, but what's important to you and what you're making your decision on and what your setting is can vary quite a bit. It's easy for a vineyard owner to grab a ladder and clean the rain collector. Not so much if you're 30 miles away or more and you're on the edge of cellular capability. The situations are just different. An emergency manager might want a forecast on certain things just to protect public safety. Farmers may want to know both how much rainfall has fallen for their crops, but also whether they can drive a tractor on the field. Utilities need very site-specific information for safety purposes and knowing how to operate their grid safely. Construction sites might need to know if it's too cold or dangerous to have people out there working on their site. And then obviously there are ports, airports, national agencies all have their own specific weather requirements, maybe some very high, precise requirements in terms of the instrumentation. So all of them share risks, downtime, safety hazards, compliance issues, asset damage. These are all things that are possibly cross-cutting on a lot of these industries, but the needs for data, the accuracy, the budgets, a lot of things will matter in terms of understanding what you're going to actually implement in any of these situations. A one-size-fits-all just doesn't exist. I think you need to have a one-size-fits-some and really understand what the specific need is for your particular situation to know which pieces and parts are putting together to create a real solution for you.